Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying the essentials: the sender address and valid SMTP or API credentials so mail can actually leave. Once connected, register the sending domain and set authentication like SBF/DKIM to improve deliverability. Next, pick a trigger, for example a form submission or a scheduled job, and map the minimal data fields you need. Make sure to test connectivity immediately so the system can send a real message before you build templates or logic. You now design the template and the routing logic. Build modular header, body, and footer blocks so updates are quick and predictable. Use personalization tokens for names, order numbers, and conditional content to tailor each message. Then implement sending rules, retries for transient errors, throttling to respect provider limits, and batching to optimize throughput. Make sure to instrument logs and metrics so you can trace a message from trigger to delivery and spot failures rapidly. You finish by deploying to staging and running end-to-end tests that include edge cases like long names and missing fields. Once live, monitor delivery metrics, bounces, complaints, opens, and latency, and set alerts for spikes. If problems arise, inspect logs and SMTP/API responses, verify DNS/SBF/DKIM records, and check rate limits. Make sure to have a rollback plan and a single troubleshooting tip. If messages bounce, pause send.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.